Manually typing out captions is a nightmare, but paying $20 a month for an AI caption tool feels even worse. Most free apps either add a giant watermark or only give you a 30-second trial. But what if I told you that the professional-grade AI captions you see on viral videos are already available on your PC for $0? Today, I'm showing you the ultimate hack using Microsoft Clipchamp. No hidden fees, no watermarks. If you're on Windows, you likely already have it. If not, just search Clipchamp in the Microsoft Store and hit install. Once you're in, log in with your Microsoft account and click Create a new video to get started. Now click Import Media, select your video and hit Open. Now this part is key. Drag your video and drop it right onto the timeline here at the bottom. The AI needs the video on the timeline to start the transcription process. Now for the magic, look at the right sidebar and click on Captions. Click Transcribe Media. A new window will pop up asking for your language. I'm choosing English. You even have the option to filter out profanity and offensive language automatically. Once you're ready, hit Transcribe. Check this out. It's generating in real time. And just like that, look at the accuracy. You can play it back to see them perfectly synced. Now, if you want to change the style, it's actually really simple. Just click on the text right here. As soon as you click it, this text menu will open up. And this is where all the customization happens. First thing, you can actually move the position of the subtitles. So if you don't want them at the bottom, you can place them at the top or anywhere that fits your video better. Now coming to styles. You'll see these presets option here. You can simply click on any of these presets and it will instantly change the entire look of your text. Right here, you can change the font. Just scroll through and pick something that matches your style. Then you can adjust the size, make it bigger for more impact or smaller for a subtle look. You can also change the color from here. You can adjust the line height so the spacing between lines look clean and readable. You can change the letter spacing as well. Make the text a bit more spread out or tighter. Finally, hit export at the top, choose the best quality and your video is ready for social media with professional captions included for free. And just look at the final result. Clean, perfectly synced captions, and the best part is we added and positioned all of this in just a few clicks. No manual typing, no complicated setup. It literally takes seconds to get this kind of professional output. It's crazy that people are still paying for this service when it's built right into your computer. If this saved you a few bucks today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tweak Library for more ways to simplify your tech life. Now I have a question for you. Are you currently paying for a video editor or are you looking for more free alternatives like this? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. See you in the next one.